Preparing for your fitness certification? Let's master the body fat caliper, a key tool tested on your exam. If you're studying for any major personal trainer certification, you will be tested on body composition. While methods like DEXA scans exist, skinfold calipers are emphasized for a reason. They are the most practical, cost-effective, and widely used tool in the industry. For just $10 to $20, you get a device that, with proper technique, provides reliable data for tracking client progress. This accessibility is why every trainer needs to own one and master its use for both exam day and their future career. The most commonly tested method is the Jackson-Pollock 3-site protocol. Knowing the specific sites for males and females is critical, as this is a frequent exam question. For males, you'll measure the chest, abdomen, and thigh. For females, the sites are the triceps, suprailiac, just above the hip bone, and thigh. Notice that the thigh is the only site shared between the two. Mastering these anatomical landmarks is non-negotiable for passing your exam and performing accurate assessments on future clients. For more precision, especially with athletes, exams like the CSCS reference the Jackson-Pollock 7-site protocol. This method uses the same 7 sites for both males and females: chest, mid-axillary, triceps, subscapular, abdomen, suprailiac, and thigh. By sampling more areas, it provides a more accurate picture of total body fat distribution, while the 3-site method is faster for general clients. Understanding that the 7-site protocol is the gold standard for skinfold assessment is key for higher-level certifications. Knowing the sites is just the start. Your exam will test your understanding of proper technique. First, mark the site. Then, use your non-dominant hand to grasp the skinfold about 1 centimeter above the mark. Place the caliper jaws perpendicular to the fold, right on the mark. Release the trigger, wait 2 to 3 seconds for the reading to stabilize, and record the measurement. You'll take 3 measurements at each site, rotating between them to allow tissue to decompress. And use the median value. For certification students, the Accu-Measure Fitness 3000 is our top recommendation. Its most important feature is the spring-loaded mechanism. This applies a consistent, standard amount of pressure with every measurement, which is the #1 factor for accuracy and reducing error. Inconsistent pressure from a non-spring-loaded caliper can skew readings dramatically. For about $10, this tool provides the consistency you need to practice the protocols correctly and build the confidence required to ace your exam questions on this topic. If you plan to use calipers regularly with clients after you're certified, consider the Sequoia TrimCal 4000. It offers professional-grade durability and a wider measurement range. For students on a tight budget who also need a measuring tape for circumference assessments, which are also on the exam, the MEDCA bundle is a practical choice. It combines both essential tools for just a couple of dollars more. Choosing the right tool depends on your immediate goal, passing the exam, versus building a professional toolkit. You now know the protocols, techniques, and tools to master body fat assessment for your exam. But this is just one piece of the puzzle. Open Exam Prep offers free, comprehensive study guides for NASM, ACE, ACSM, and CSCS, plus an AI tutor to answer your specific questions. Click the link to start studying smarter today.